So this, my friends, is from tonight's conversation, and y'all know these be some good videos. All right, I'm gonna let this thing play all the way through without any interruptions. Let's go.
Me and the respect.
Hold on.
Things happening, financially for me, and the respect left the table. And this person, broke up with me, but now I'm back to a better place financially, spiritually, and mentally. And now this person is trying to come.
Oh, hey, no.
But wait, hold, but no
Game, my G, Kerr.
That's all
as deep as I could dig, as much as I could think, as many metaphors as I could give you, dog, they all boil down to one common denominator, my Kerr. Because here's the thing, bro. We gotta acknowledge that two things are often true at one time. Thing one that's true is that realistically, people don't owe you for richer or for poorer until y'all married, bro. We can be honest about that. But also, I'm looking out for what you do and don't do before we marry. I'm looking at what skills and what traits you display before we married, and I'll see.
Damn. My bad, y'all. Hey, leave it to this guy to do something like that. My bad.
Things happening, financially for me, and the respect left the table. And this person, broke up with me, but now I'm back to a better place financially, spiritually, and mentally. And now this person is trying to come.
Oh, hey, no.
But wait, hold, but no
game, my G, Kerr.
That's all
as deep as I could dig, as much as I could think, as many metaphors as I could give you, dog, they all boil down to one common denominator, my Kerr. Because here's the thing, bro. We gotta acknowledge that two things are often true at one time. Thing one that's true is that realistically, people don't owe you for richer or for poorer until y'all married, bro. We can be honest about that. But also, I'm looking out for what you do and don't do before we marry. I'm looking at what skills and what traits you display before we married, and I'll see. You're not built to weather no storm, shorty. And that's fine. You got that choice. You actually are not obligated to stick around while I'm going through it because we not unified in that regard right now. However, I see that you made your choice. You chose to get off this goddamn boat. And now that my little tugboat is a yacht, you better learn how to swim if you want to keep looking at it. You're never going to get back on the most you finna do is get a good view of me riding by. Float on. Float on.
Hey, not the B word though. Good grief. Not the B word, my dog. So here we have a young brother, man, that basically just said, listen, I did the work. I was dealing with a young lady, and she decided to part ways for whatever reason. I mean, we don't know. She just probably seen that the boy probably was struggling, wasn't doing as well as she would hope that he would do. And I think that a lot of people get signs like this, and they still choose to stay, or they'll get back into a relationship after somebody done. When you done experience, or you down on your luck, or you're going through hard times, and you have a person that see you, weak, broken, or whatever, down and out, and that's when they choose to listen. They just told you everything that you need to know, like he just said. Okay, I see that you're not built for this, at least not for me, respectfully. So what you need to do with that information, you need to take it, you need to use it, digest it, or whatever it is, and you need to keep it moving, keep it pushing, because now that you done did the work, you done worked on you, like he said, he done went to therapy, probably got his money up, seems like he has a pretty decent head on his shoulders. Like, come on, brother. Come on, man. You are an eligible bachelor, and there are way too many decent women out here that, you know what I'm saying, you can get with. That's more than willing to get on your program. And if you go through some stuff, it's a lot of women out here that will stay down with you. Listen, I understand that you're here right now, but I'm willing to stick it out for however long it is because I understand who you are at the core, which should be a good man, a responsible man, a man that understand. I done been here before. I done been down and out. Hold on for the other videos, but yeah, I've been here before. I've been down and out, man. This, you know what I'm saying? We not gonna keep, you know what I'm saying, falling on hard times, but if it does reach a point to where, you know, you lose a lot or you lose it all, the question is this person gonna stick it out with me? And that right there, I would think that most guys would want to know that as soon as possible. Again, you don't want to lose it all, but if there is a chance, or you don't want to lose a lot, but if there is a chance to really see and test that person, bro, that's the test right there. That is the perfect test right there. Because I've heard a lot of people, even in marriages, they're able to make it through or get over that hump of infidelity. But a lot of couples, they don't get back together when somebody done experience when they both done experience hard time and they really going through some stuff. Like that thing just bring out a different person, a different beast. When them doggone bills need to be paid, you know what I'm saying? That sex drive gonna decrease. That, you know what I'm saying? Like, I used to like this person, I used to love this person. All of that stuff is gonna really make you gonna challenge that person mentally. It's gonna really make them lock in and think, did I really like this person? Or, you know what I'm saying, was this person just cute? You know what I'm saying? Just somebody that I can just kick it with or whatever. But again, man, I think this is a perfect opportunity to see if that person is really with you for the long run when you experience something like that. So with that information, you got to take it and you got to use it. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.